might be the great time for you. Here at Ken's Mini Mart, let's start our weekend offer shopping. Thank you, sir. Here inside of Ken's Mini Mart, wow, this is a beautiful place. This item is offer.
2 pieces, 13 Riyal only.
Okay, I will take 2 packets. Sadia chicken liver, 2 into 450 gram at 8.75. Sadia chicken strips, 1 kilogram at 20 Riyal. How much this one? Oh, this one also offer 12.75. Mashallah. Guys, here in vegetable section, they have more offers. Cucumber Iran at 150 per kilogram and Maru Doha at 2 Riyal per kilogram.
Ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am, the Yemen only 21 Riyal box.
Oh wow, this is good. Mandarin Morocco at 3.75. Benz Doha at only 5 Riyal per kilogram. Guys, the vegetable section has more offers, fresh and affordable prices.
Yes, madam, there have only Paskar fish 8 Riyal, then copper fish have 10 Riyal. Today promotion, today's only.
Indian mutton cuts 500 gram at 17.75. Pakistan beef bone-in 500 gram at 10 Riyal. Green olives Jordan 500 gram at 7 Riyal. Grilled olives Turkey 500 gram at 11 Riyal. Lunch and dinner? No worries. Visit hot food section. Beef roast 250 gram at only 8 Riyal. Chicken majibos 500 gram at only 10 Riyal. Chicken barbecue at 10 Riyal also. Caramel cake medium at 27 Riyal only. Cashew nuts, roasted and salted lemon, 500 gram at 17 Riyal. Mixed nut number 1, 500 gram at 21 Riyal. Walnut USA, 500 gram at 14.75. Gold sunflower oil, 1.8 liter at 12.25. I will take 1 piece. This is good offer basmati rice, 5 kilogram at 23.75. Wow, lapan mazor, 2 kilogram at only 10 Riyal. Vaseline hair tonic and conditioner at only 10 Riyal. Tide Original 3 kg at 23.50. Samsung A33 128GB at 939. Redmi A1 Plus 249. Redmi Note 11 Pro 128GB at 819. Electric kettle at 29. Rice cooker at 49. Icon 3-in-1 blender at 79 Riyal. That's the weekend offer here in Ken's Mini Mart Matar Kadim. Be excited and enjoy your weekend! Spend your 50 Riyal and get a chance to win brand new SUV cars, electronic items, and gift vouchers. Visit any Saudia hypermarket outlets and Ken's Mini Mart.